All right, my name is Mark Duarte, Director of Medical Sales at East West. Been in the industry for about 22 years, and Tech Blip been so kind to ask me to talk about mass producing of wearable biosensors. So East West, we're a pretty big corporation, a little bit of history. My company was formerly known as East Print, so some of you guys have seen me before or met me. I'll talk about that a little bit going forward. At East West, we offer design solutions, design for manufacturing. We have global manufacturing, and we also do distribution and supply chain. We're on 11 different manufacturing facilities, 2,000 plus employees, and we're around the globe in 7 different countries. Core capabilities include integrated circuits, EMS, motors, fans, medical device wearables, and human interface machines. Supporting capabilities within our company as a corporation is, metals, plastics, rubbers. We do packaging, our own tooling, and wire and cable. Again, East Print we're formerly known as East Print for over 50 years. Recently acquired by East West a little over a year ago in April of 23. At East, I'll refer to it as East Print as a business unit of East West now, but printed electronics business unit of East West. We're located in North Andover, Massachusetts, just up the street, as well as a manufacturing facility in Juarez, Mexico. Again, over 50 years in business as a printed electronics contract manufacturer in wearables, patches, electrodes, as well as all HMI technologies, whether it be cap touch, membrane switches, graphical overlays. If you haven't seen any of our products and you're interested, we're at booth B2, I believe it is. So mass producing medical viable biosensors. These that I'll talk about today are the ability to design for manufacturing. A lot of design firms come to us with their own designs, or OEMs come to us with their own designs, but they're not necessarily designed for cost-effective manufacturing, and we offer those solutions. Obviously, you have to have the capabilities to print silver, silver chlorides, carbons, dielectrics, so forth, from that point of view. Even some gold and other exotic inks have been used in certain assays. Sheet fed and or roll-to-roll printing is a necessity, depending on whether or not it's a high volume commodity or more customized packaging components on it. We have the ability to do surface mount components on these flexible surfaces. We do millions, tens of millions, 100 million component placements a year. We can also do it on etched polyester and rigid PCB for hybrid configurations. Screen printed through holes allow us to keep the components and any rigid apparatuses on the patch off of the patient side. So the ability to print multi-layers of ink on either side of the patch is a necessity for anything that's customized, has components on the patch, making it a wireless, wearable patch. Converting hydrogels, skin adhesives, hydrocolloids, laminating and die cutting in semi-automated or high volume automated fashion is always going to be necessary. And then obviously full turnkey packaging, pouching, labeling, DFCs, IFUs, cartons. It can be a totally dock to stock situation from a full turnkey point of view. Is that better? And then the manufacturing verification and validation we do as well for our OEM customers. And then lastly, but not most importantly, the medical ISOs and FDA registrations are always key for these types of products. I'm not always required, but it'd be a mistake not to have it. Then any type of functional testing specific to the patch, we'll design and figure that tester out for the customer unless they provide it on their own. But that's another service we provide. And then, as I mentioned earlier, just complete packaging, full turnkey products. With that